I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by whisking 1 cup curd until smooth so it won't split when heated. Once whisked, fold in salt, turmeric, chili, garam masala, and ginger garlic paste, and coat your protein or vegetables. This quick marinade builds flavor and tenderizes. Meanwhile, heat 2 tablespoons oil in a pan and add mustard seeds and sliced onion to start the aromatic base. Make sure the oil is hot but not smoking so spices bloom without burning. Once the onions are golden and tomatoes form a soft paste, reduce the flame. You must stabilize the curd to prevent curdling. Temper the pan by taking it off heat for a few seconds, then add the marinated curd in a thin, steady stream while stirring continuously. This controls temperature shock. Return to low heat and simmer gently for 8 to 12 minutes, whisking occasionally and adding up to 1/2 cup water to reach desired sauce consistency. You finish by tasting and adjusting salt, acidity, and heat. Add a squeeze of lemon and 1 tablespoon butter or cream for silkiness, then garnish with cilantro. Make sure to simmer 2 to 3 minutes more so flavors meld and the sauce thickens slightly. If the curry splits, don't panic. Remove from heat, whisk a tablespoon of cold water or 1 tablespoon beaten curd, then add that emulsion back slowly while stirring. This rescues texture and brings the curry back together.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.